Ecom Squeezed. Quick tips from Retail-Outsource. Hello, I'm Aaron and I'm back with another video on how to optimize your eBay title. Most of the people ignore the listing title optimization if you want your item to be sold and if you want your item to be shown on search results. You need a proper title construction. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We would be using two Google Chrome add-ons to do the keyword research. And then we will construct the listing title. Here, I'm going to choose a random listing. There you go. As you can see, this listing the title is not optimized. And I'm going to do it today. First, I'm going to copy it and put it on a notepad. So this is a Powerline Adapter. The first tool I'm going to use would be a free SEO Stack Google Chrome add-on. You can put the keywords here, say Powerline Adapter, and I would suggest that you don't put more than 2 words. And you can deselect here and select this. Then choose a country that you want it from or which you're in. Then select the sources you want the keywords from. In this example, I'm going to include Google and eBay. And by the way, I have a different video completely on SEO Stack. What to do, what to select, and almost everything is covered in it. I will put the link in the description. Okay, coming back, here, what you have to do is just click Start. And it will pull out all the keywords relevant to your item. Make sure that you don't include anything that is irrelevant. If you put something that is not relevant, it's going to affect you negatively. So keep that in mind. Here, I'm going to do it manually. So the first thing is Powerline Adapter. It's always good to do it manually. It's a one-time investment. And no other software can beat a human till now. So, extension here. There is another keyword, Ethernet extension. Then extender. Okay, it can be a Wi-Fi extender. People might search for a Wi-Fi extender. So people might search for wireless. They can use the keyword booster. So I will add wireless booster. And gaming. People might search it for gaming, as this is a Powerline adapter and can handle up to 600 Mbps. So it can be definitely used for gaming. And you can put up gaming on it. You can see the search volumes here and the ranking. Okay, booster is here, and you can see Powerline adapter booster here. You just need to keep looking for some more. And once you get a few words, well, there are a lot of few words. I think one of it is pass through. Okay, basically, this is an add-on. You can put this in like V600. Now, we've got a few keywords. So that's set aside. Now let me show you the second tool. It's called Keywords Everywhere. Again, it's a Google Chrome add-on, but this is a paid add-on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type on Google Powerline Adapter. And this add-on will basically show you all the keywords with the search volume. And you can see the trend here. So if it's an item that sells seasonally, then you will be able to see the trend on which month it sells the most and which month it doesn't. It will help you plan it properly. Again, if you have to go through all these keywords. then select the best keywords which are most relevant to your product. So here you can see adapter for gaming, and it has a good search volume. So I think that's enough. Let's construct the title. So while constructing the title, you have to put the brand first, followed by the second word, which needs to be the main keyword. So we have to prioritize those keywords based on the search volume. So for this particular item, I would put TP link, Powerline Adapter, Wi-Fi extender, booster gaming pass-through. It might not look human friendly, but technically it's very very eBay friendly. It comes beautifully in terms of eBay searches. So this is how an optimized title would look like. You can see there are a lot of main keywords like Wi-Fi extender and so on. So if someone was searching for a Wi-Fi extender, this listing will not come up if it wasn't optimized. The same for somebody who would search for a wireless booster. And again, if someone searches for a gaming Powerline adapter, this will not come up. So now that we have put the main keywords in the titles, and if you can't include some keywords on the title, you can include them in the item specifics. So that's the second area where the algorithm would search for keywords, and it will index it from there as well. So I have a different video on how to optimize the item specifics. I will put the link down in the description too. So this is how the optimized title looks like, and this is how you optimize the title. And if you have any questions, please comment and we will reply. And I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. And if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.